I'm not kind of high. No? That was a tight turn. Yeah, it was. Yeah, they're really, really high.
Dude, that's good, man.
Really?
One of the things they complained to us that it wasn't too bright one year, so next year I bought the brightest one I could find. And then people complained, it's too bright. I was like, what do you want, man?
We have light bar?
Yeah.
We don't use that anymore.
What?
They don't use that anymore.
That's because they, what happened was there was 1 year one tech that said it was not wide enough, so they had to go through the trailer light. But you can buy a light bar that's thicker. But when I first used a light bar, they had a car that came to us and was like, your light is too bright, it blinds me in the track. Because it was right at the right angle that you like right at that center of the LED. Was not happy.
Oh, bitch. They're shipping pretty easily. That is not smart. I know, he didn't want to go, and then he was like, fuck it. Be predictable. Yeah. Oh. That's impressive, though. That's pretty good. Did you that fast?
Oh, that sucks. Here we go.
Let's go,